we're going to show you how to do an ID card copy on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283 printer. So this is the ID card that we want to copy. First, we'll place it onto the flatbed scanner. Remember to align it to the top left hand corner. On the control panel, select Copy. Tap on ID Copy. Then select Color. There is an instruction that we need to load the next document in a different position. So let's do that. So we need to load it in a different position and flip the card over and press OK when loaded. So it has copied the second side. So let's press Done. So it has copied our ID card. So this is how you do an ID copy on your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283 printer.